There's somebody here. Kung dapat yun eh. Look at that. Housing compounds, where are they? Are they here? Hindi sila nagpasok seryoso. Let's ask. Chief, may pumasok na mga nakaganito doon? Meron? Sige, salamat. Can they hear me? What if they can't hear me and they just let me in here? That'll be fun. That's an adventure. I got to go in here. Yeah, face. Oh, I've never been in this part, so this is fun. The question is, where are they? Not a lot of people I think are able to go here. The perks of riding a Ducati. I don't even know who owns a property here. They have a community here. It's not really that exclusive. Yun. Yun ang tanong. Ay, dumaan kaya mga motor. Boss, ano po, good afternoon. May mga dumaang naka-Ducati dito? Wala.
Wala rin napansin.
Wala pong ganito? Ah, sige, salamat. Okay pa, thank you. Walang napansin. That means no. here. Hey, this is a lot of things, huh? So what's this? Oh, alright, nah. Thank you. So yeah, I wasted time. Don't think they went here. Yep, not here. Not here. Not here. Maybe I can ask there. Chief. Boss. Good morning po. Boss, may dumaan dito mga naka-Ducati. Dumiretso? Wala po.
Isado pa ito kuya eh.
Ah, walang dumaan mga malalaking motor.
Hindi ko po napansin.
Ah, hindi po napansin. Sige po, di bali sir. Salamat.
Apo.
That's it. That confirms it. Because everybody would know if something like this passed. I think the idea is that there was just motorcycles that came in here. So I think it's those scooters. So yeah, I'm going to chase along road again. Oh well. Experience Dam and Reservoir Division from the National Irrigation Administration. Well, at least I know where we're going. We're going to Costa Pacifica. Dun, dun. And this is a lot of things, man. A lot. Outreach. Mio. Oh god. Ayan, ito din.